In life sciences manufacturing, one missed calibration can result in costly deviations. One incomplete maintenance activity can lead to an audit or asset downtime and costly production delays. Yet most teams are stuck with paper or customizing generic enterprise asset management tools just to meet 21 CFR Part 11. Finally, there's a better way. That's where Blue Mountain comes in. Blue Mountain RAM is the leading cloud-native asset management platform purpose-built for regulated life sciences. RAM unites calibration, maintenance, and asset management in one pre-validated platform, engineered for compliance, optimized for productivity. Whether you're scaling globally or streamlining a single site, RAM helps your team stay audit-ready with built-in GxP compliance. Work smarter with role-based permissions and offline mobile access, and unlock insights that drive reductions in downtime and increase ROI. Trusted by over 450 life sciences companies, from emerging biotechs to global pharma, with more than 60,000 users worldwide. It's time to move beyond spreadsheets, generic tools, and disconnected systems. Transform your asset management with a pre-validated platform that understands GMP from day one. Blue Mountain, purpose-built for life sciences.